Hello everyone, my name is Ole Austin and I'm here to demo my project, the subscription Samurai. This is an autonomous recurring payment powered by Tether Wallet Development Kit. So this first place is where we have the agent card. You can see the agent is stopped, not working, and the agent button is inactive. This is our wallet where we create wallet, and then this is our transaction for us to see succeeded this transaction, the subscription that I've made. This is the new subscription where we actually create subscription. So let's demo. So the first thing I'm going to show us is the our wallet self custody. So let me say forget wallet. So here I'm going to create new wallet. So once I click on create new wallet, the wallet mnemonics automatically generated. You copy, and once that is done, you can just click on hide wallet phrase and you cannot see the wallet phrase again. But for this demo, I'm going to use a funded wallet. So let me say import. So let me go to yes, import my wallet mnemonics already. So I have a wallet funded. I'm going to use, so I say import. So importing it gives me 10 ETH and 9.999.90 USDT. So my wallet is active and funded for my subscription. So the next thing to do is to actually create a subscription. So the recipient address, let me get a wallet address, assuming that this is a wallet address to pay for maybe my chat GPT subscription. So this is their wallet address. Then the amount to pay, let me put maybe 0.3, maybe 0.3 USDT. Now I had to create every minute testing for this for testing purpose. In real sense, I don't think we have a subscription we pay for a minute or 5 minutes, but to show how the subscription is automated by the agent, I decided to create a little time minute. So let me use every minute so we can see that very fast. So I click on add subscription. Clicking on add subscription automatically, you can see here. So it's taking 3 USDT. Oh, 3 instead of 0.3. This is huge. Let me create another one. Yes, 0.3, not 3. The frequency is high. So start. So you can see 0.3, yes. So my button is already active. So all I need to do is to what? Start agent. So we are going to 0.3. So if you check here in the transaction, we don't have 0.3, we have 0.5, 0.2, 3 transactions. Now I created 0.3. So every minute we should have a new influx, and our balance here will actually start reducing because of it making payment every minute. So that is the demo we're going to wait to see right now, and let's see in the next minute. So this is and see the work of the agent. All right, you can now see it's already called. The agent has paid the first in the first minute 0.3, and we have 999.60. So this is our new payment. So this is what we built, and any moment, anytime you're tired, you don't want to continue with the subscription, you just stop your agent from your own end. Once you click on stop agent, that ends it. Any moment you want, you click on start agent, but if you don't want the subscription again, you just click on X, meaning you delete the subscription from your system. With this, I think I've proven wallet development kit agentic wallet paying subscription on your behalf autonomously. Thank you.